Do you love the feeling of a cozy cottage at Christmas time? Me too. Merry Christmas, friends, and welcome to the Stone Cottage home. I'm Rachel, and today you and I will be shopping for, decorating, and then touring our cozy little cottage for Christmas. Now, if you love English interior design, be sure to keep an eye out after the home tour because I have a cherry on top for you. We have a special offer for our viewers to be able to sit under the direct teachings of renowned expert British designers at a discount. Let's get started creating that cozy cottage feeling for Christmas. Any good decorating project for me always begins with some good old inspiration, and as usual, I have found some lovely images online and in books for this year's decorating. The biggest tweak for us this year will be adding in a soft blue throughout all the decor, and I have seen this done with chinoiserie ornaments and blue velvet ribbon woven into the tree, garlands, and swags. These images are the inspiration for the centerpiece that I found, not surprisingly, from Miss Mustard Seed. I would love to use similar elements to create our own version for a centerpiece on our island. Most of all, I'm super excited about decorating our newly remodeled kitchen for Christmas and have been looking forward to this for over a year. A simple swag like this would be perfect for putting over the antique mirror in the kitchen, or possibly to frame out the window over the kitchen sink. Last year, I was inspired to create my own version of a traditional sugared fruit wreath like what was sold on Balsam Hill's website for $180. But with our thrifted finds, we were able to create something similar for $16. If you're interested in seeing that DIY, I will link that video on a card at the end. This year, with all the remodeling, there are some new places to decorate, and I'm thinking that sugared fruit wreath would look beautiful over the mirror in the dining room with a bit of blue velvet ribbon woven in to tie it with the rest of the decor. To add blue to the tree this year, I found some great ideas on Pinterest for creating your own chinoiserie ornaments. This involved a simple DIY with white ornaments, a royal blue Sharpie, and a little creativity. It's always nice to have a simple DIY thrown into the mix. Every year, I enjoy making some craft or another during the Christmas season, and this year I thought it would be great fun to add homemade candles to vintage ironstone teacups. In fact, I had so much fun that I created more than one variation, and there are enough of these that I can share with you. Be sure to pop over to the Etsy shop where I have both of these styles available in limited quantities. At first, when considering adding blue into our Christmas decor, I was a bit concerned that it would take on a patriotic vibe. But after seeing it on packaging and in other people's trees, it really didn't look out of place, especially if you use the muted tones of red, cream, and blue versus the bright primary colors. The other factor in making this new color look intentional was to add it throughout our decor. It is repetition that tells your eye something belongs. Throughout our home tour, you will see we've added bits of blue ribbon in garlands, wreaths, swags, and in the tree itself. For the crowning touch of our English cottage decorating for Christmas this year, I would love to find one of those blue and white chinoiserie planters to put the tree in. I've been hunting for one of these for over 14 months. Not only are they hard to find, they are very expensive. So we'll have to keep an eye out. All right, now that we have some decorating ideas in mind, let's go do a bit of shopping. Then settle in with your favorite cup of hot tea or cocoa, and we will enjoy a charming, cozy, English cottage style Christmas home tour. Now for your Christmas cherry on top. For over a year now, you have listened to me rant and rave about British interior designer Rita Konig from the fabulous Create Academy. I was gifted her course for my birthday last year and have watched it from end to end countless times. Not only do I continue to find inspiration from Rita's instruction, I've also directly applied design choices to our home as a result of her practical teachings. Since then, I've also acquired Nina Campbell's course on interior design. Nina had the privilege of studying under John Fowler, who was the co-founder of the English country house style. Both of these courses, with their wealth of information, are available to Stone Cottage home viewers, as well as any of the other courses in the Homes and Interiors section of Create Academy. We are so very excited to offer this world of British interior design. I hope these courses will be the ultimate in inspiration and practical instruction as you continue creating that English cottage style in your home. Make sure to click the link in the description box below. But wait, there's more. I'm happy to share a restock of the Stone Cottage Home Etsy shop with more cottage style goodies for you to browse through. There's a limited supply of the handmade candles you saw earlier in the video, as well as other Christmas themed and classic cottage decor items for you to browse. I hope you find something lovely for someone on your list or for your own home. There will be links for Create Academy, the Etsy shop, and many of today's products in the description box below. What fun we've had together today. I hope you found some great ideas for decorating your house in the English country style this year, as well as some gift ideas for people on your list or to request. Matt and I would like to thank each one of you for being with us this year. We are so grateful for your faithful support, lovely comments, and all your interaction. We already have quite a list of things planned for next year. We will be taking an extended break to enjoy family and friends. We wish you a blessed Christmas, a wonderful New Year, and until next time, Merry Christmas and take care.